How to fix Discord Connect TikTok error code 1001 on your mobile. First of all, simply open your TikTok application. Then head over to your profile section right over here. Then simply head over to the hamburger menu right there and tap on settings and privacy. Now in settings and privacy, tap on security and permissions right over there. Now under permission section right over here, you'll find apps and services permission. So simply tap on here. Now here you'll find the list of apps that are linked to other apps. If you have connected Discord, then it will appear right over here, and what you have to simply do is simply unlink it. So tap on unlink Discord, which will appear over here if you had connected it. Then return to your Discord and try again. And that's it, guys. In this way you can easily fix the Discord Connect TikTok error code. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this video useful.